In the spring of 2025, I found this thing at the vegetable market at the east end of the river. On its fuel tank, it said Kawasaki. Tires even looked like track-spec racing tires. But the front fork was broken. I somehow managed to prop it up, then used a forklift to get it loaded back. We just weighed it. It's 279 kilograms in total. The boss sold it to me for 7 yuan per kilogram. Given that its throttle body is huge and it has racing tires, I think we shouldn't lose money on this one. Once we fix it up, we can sell it to one of your classmates after graduation. We could probably make more than 10,000 yuan in profit.